Hello viewers, here is a Sears fan. This is made by Lasko, Galaxy, whatever. It's in horrible condition and the cord is, I can't stand when people do this. Okay, as you can see, it is covered in dust. The blades are in fact supposed to be translucent, but they're so dirty they're just not anymore. I don't think it's ever been cleaned. You can see the dust is accumulating up here at the front of the guard. And see, there's a plethora of dust inside the base right there. The guard's all bent up in the back. Though, interestingly enough, there's no physical damage to the plastic. So, this has a lot of potential for restoration, which it will get. It looks like all the guard clips are there too, which is another indicator it's never been serviced or cleaned. I'll switch that off and plug it in. Oh, let's take a look at the information tag. Alright, now let's see if it runs. Start off on low. Sounds like the bearings are extremely dry. Sure enough, it works. And it's working well too. Let's try oscillation. I don't want to run it for long with it making that sound because it's a very dry bearing sound. Okay, it looks like it's going to oscillate pretty well. I can hear it drop in speed as it's moving, so it needs to be lubricated thoroughly. But it works. A couple drops of oil, some compressed air, run as good as new. It's really a good testament to the quality of these things. Really, the only reason these things were tossed out, or in the rare situation they did quit, is when the dust eventually accumulates all the way out to the end of the guard and they just don't move air. Then it tends to fail, but otherwise these things were really solid fans and they run forever.